Hello, my name is Sean. This video is about computer viruses, and I'm an expert at computer viruses. And it's gonna be honest and true about the whole story about everything. Um, it would be wrong to lie to someone about a computer virus. It's kind of a cruel thing to tell someone bad information about the virus that's inaccurate. It all starts with when you want to learn computers, computer programming, and you start making programs and stuff, little video games, and maybe a little spreadsheet or something where you prompt for information, they type it in, and then you get to the part, whew, some group or something, or some download some sort of code that this is a virus, and you look at it and it's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Read the code and looking at the virus. Hey, there's some types of viruses are just kind of like just experiments, or scientists they just want to experiment. Getting down to the blood and guts of the issue is most viruses infect computer programs or source code. So let's say I was going to write a virus, I'd be like deciding what kind of virus am I going to make? What's it going to do? Tell you, some of the things that all viruses, or most, have in common is, well, not only do they infect computer programs, but the word infect itself means let's compare a virus to a mosquito. So I'm going to create a mosquito. The first thing we do is give it little feet to run. Then we give it little teeth to bite. And then we get it little code in its mind or head to inject the program. So the feet of the mosquito is when it runs around to all the directories. Like you get your root directory and directory tree, your folders and files. And for some reason, computer programs are just fully able to scan through directories. Like you want to list your file, it scans through. You want to search for your folders, it goes through directories. So you're going to go and find, with the background, the computer background, the microchips in the computer and the DOS or whatever OS you're using. You write in the program that you're gonna run around to all the directories, and then the teeth itself, or when you bite it, and then just pretty much open up the program and tell the virus, you write into the virus that you're gonna let's say the program is a video game called the Alien Invaders. So the virus runs, it says, oh, that's a COM file or an exe file or something. That's the most common. And so like it searches, they write all the COM files, *com. So if you look into your programs and you see *com, usually that's suspicious, because when it says *com, that means all your COM files. So it's going to go through. The little mosquitoes are going to be flying around like, a lab experiment. And running around, just code to go to the directories. But the teeth are when it opens it up and then bites. But the bite of the mosquito is just simply right to the program. So if it just wrote on top of the old program, made it the virus, and did it to all the programs. And all the programs would be a virus, but the old program would be no good. So the little feet, little teeth, and then it injects the code, which the code includes the virus to turn the old program into a virus. So if you want the virus to save the old program so the virus hides the old programs within the old program and the old program still works, then you say, okay, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna say, take the old program, throw it in the memory, put the virus there, and then take the old program and put it underneath the virus. And the virus, when the program is run, the virus runs, infects everything, and runs the old program. It's as simple as that. There's a lot of techniques like that would prevent it from being detected, but the antivirus is pretty darn good because it can detect that anything suspicious and block it. So I guess I can tell a lot of long stories about more advanced viruses. Not only are the feet, there's an alternative. If you don't want your feet to just scan through all the directories just by running around really quick, and biting, and injecting code, preserving your program, and running the virus and the attaches, and try to do it quick to avoid anything that the user would know. Maybe the virus could show a message or make little green dots on the screen or something. Another way besides adding the little feet is to just stay in memory, and then your feet do the walking. It stays in memory, and then the programs you run, in the memory, it tells the virus, oh, it's running a program. So when you open your program, the virus says, haha, it's hiding within your open. And then it says, writes to it. You use the program like normal, close it, and as you continue running programs, each program you run, one by one, virus writes to it. It's just kind of like it's the purpose of a virus, not only for science or for getting back at someone. It's just to learn programming and have a good time and just a joke or something. It's just viruses get a bad name. It's not usually really bad. So let's end the story.